Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the WOOHSE Elegant Bathtub Mixer Tab with Waterfall function, wow, and shower head, and of course a wall mount for bathroom, shower, and this is high quality brass body. Oh yeah! What it is a bathtub with a hand shower in one box. You have here first-class workmanship in a timeless style, designed for bathtub. This will let your bathroom have an aristocratic style. Particle and space-saving design is on board. You have a hand shower with three jet types: rain, massage, and rain massage. Yeah, the only thing you have to do after you assembled everything, press the button in the middle of the shower head. You can set one of these three water jet programs with one button. You have a high quality cartridge with wear-resistant ceramic sealing discs. It is durable and robust brass core, chrome-plated surface. It protects everything against rust. And, of course, it's easy to clean. It approved according to the KTW guidelines. And of course, it's easy to install, thanks to the 1/2 inches connectors. According to DIN standard, a quick and easy installation is guaranteed. Oh, what you are going to get is one bathroom faucet, 2 times of S-Union, 2 times of S-Union covers, an additional O-ring, and a tool set. 1.5 meter of holes for the hand shower, one hand shower itself, one hand shower holder, this is the hub for your hand device, one instruction manual, and a service card, of course. It recommended a working water pressure of 0.3 up to 0.5 millipascal. Hot water temperature is maximum 80 degrees Celsius, and the recommended working temperature is 38 degrees Celsius. And this is a nice temperature. The rate of the flow is 5 up to 17 liters each minute. And this is the WOOHSE bathroom faucet with hand shower set. Oh yeah! And it's really easy. First thing is flush through the water, supply the pipes. So after you have to get the water out of the pipes, of course. Then mount the S-Union to the wall and align them. Then mount the S-Union to the faucet. And of course, don't forget the covers. Get on top. Then, according to the position of the faucet, and mount the hand shower holder to the wall. And please test if every parts are workable after the installation. If everything is good, you can have a shower. The faucet is for hot and cold water. Turn up the faucet hand, the water will come out. Turn left, the hot water will come out too. The right, the cold water will come out. So you can mix hot and cold water in the center. The way of the water is coming out changed from the faucet to the hand shower by the different at the faucet spout. Raise the diverter. The water will come out from the hand shower. It is only a button. You can pull on it or you can press the button. And then you can choose the bath tube or the hand device. To keep the faucet surface bright, please clean it every week by the soft cloth with a soft liquid cleaner, colorless glass cleaner, and no abrasive polish liquid. It can be used for cleaning. The acidic water, cleaning powder, harsh cleaning chemicals, brush and coarse cloth is not so good because it's forbidden. It will hurt the faucet surface. So take care if you clean it. But you have here a nice device. I will show you in another video how to assemble it. This was the theoretical style, and in the next video of this Bathtub mixer tap with Waterfall function, you will see how to attach this to your bathroom. So that it is, the WOOHSE bathroom faucet with and shower that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So soon.